Alrighty, I have two very hot work from home job leads for you today. They tell us exactly when you'll start, either late September or early October. One of them does not require experience. It's an overnight shift opportunity. And the other one is a very beginner-friendly job that gives you paid training and all the equipment you need. So let's get into them. Motive Care is looking for a care center representative to work overnight shift. It's full-time remote. And this overnight shift job starts September 28th, 2026, and they tell us on the job description they'll pay you $16 per hour. And I want to point out this, they are hiring remotely in 34 states within the United States, so hopefully you live in one of the states you see on your screen right now. So this job is all about providing excellent customer service while monitoring a high volume of medical alerts and alarms, offering genuine care during potentially stressful situations. So you'll answer incoming emergency and non-emergency calls and provide compassionate customer support using scripted and non-scripted responses. So that pretty much sums up what you're going to do in this position. They have a few more details. If interested, read through the details. So you need to be an excellent communicator. You can remain calm and empathetic in high-pressure situations. You're self-motivated and you're able to work independently as well as collaboratively. You can type at least 35 words per minute. You can toggle between multiple screens and systems efficiently, and you're proficient using Microsoft Office applications. And they prefer, but they don't require, they prefer you're familiar with customer service software and CRM systems. And they tell us they want you to have 0 to 1 year customer service experience, preferably in a contact center or healthcare setting. So that's key, 0 to 1 year customer service experience. I'm willing to bet you do have some customer service experience. It doesn't matter in what capacity. If you dealt with the public, that's customer service. Even though they do prefer it be in a contact center or healthcare setting, if you do have any sort of customer service experience, make sure to include that on your resume. But remember, they're asking for 0 to 1 year of that experience. Now, you need to be willing to work weekends, overtime, and flexible hours as needed. But remember, this is an overnight shift opportunity that starts September 28th, 2026. So our next work from home job is very beginner friendly. It starts October 12th, 2026. They'll give you paid training and all the equipment you need. So ADT is looking for a remote customer technical support. This job is full-time remote nationwide in the United States. There are no location restrictions. And this is a great foot in the door if you want to start a career in tech support. So this job starts October 12th. As we scroll down to the bottom of the job description, they tell us the anticipated end date for application submission is September 4th, 2026. And this role is scheduled to start October 12th, 2026. And going back up a little bit, they tell us they'll provide all necessary equipment and resources to allow you to be successful in your role, which includes paid on-the-job training. So yep, they'll give you all the equipment you need and paid training. So this is a very beginner-friendly tech support job where you will receive customer inbound phone calls for various alarm systems and home automation issues, providing technical assistance and customer education. Using the company's guided workflow, you'll troubleshoot the customer's technical issues, and you may also assist customers with scheduling an on-site technician if needed. And what they want from you is a high school diploma or equivalent. You have good troubleshooting, organizational communication, multitasking, problem solving, and customer de-escalation skills. They'd like you to have a little bit of customer service experience, and like I always say, if you ever dealt with the public in any capacity, that qualifies as customer service. Technical experience is a plus, it's not required, and you can type at least 35 words per minute. And they tell us on the job description they'll start you out at $17 per hour, and you can go up to $20 per hour after 180 days of employment. So this job starts October 12th, 2026. You need to get your application in by September 4th, 2026, and they'll give you all the equipment you need plus paid trainings. So hopefully one of these easy work from home jobs works out for you. And if you're looking for more afternoon, evening, night shift work from home jobs, you can find some in this video right here. Thank you so much for visiting. I truly appreciate your support, and I'll meet you on the next job lead.